Place the back cover into position by lining up the edges. Press along the edges and snap the back cover into place. Place the battery into position by lining it up with the screw holes. Replace the 6 screws to secure the battery to the frame. Reconnect the battery cable to the system board. Place the speaker into position. Reconnect the speaker cable to the system board. Replace the wireless LAN antenna in position. Press to tape the antenna to the frame. Tape the camera conductive tape onto the antenna. Reconnect the antenna cable. Connect the camera cable to the ZIF connector. Position the camera into its enclosure. Press to secure the ZIF connector. Position the camera into its enclosure. Connect the camera to the system board and secure it with the ZIF connector. Place the system board in position. Replace the 4 screws to secure the system board to the frame. Reconnect the GPS and wireless antenna cables. Reconnect all the cables that were attached during the removal process. Insert the vibration motor into its enclosure and press to apply the adhesive backing. Route the wireless antenna cable through the guide.